our hot dog roller. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 23 inches, a depth of 19 inches, and a height at 17 inches tall. The measurement for the top glass cover, we have 19.5 inches in length, 17 inches in depth, standing at 9.25 inches tall. Coming to the inside, the measurements for the conveyor, we have at 17.5 inches in length by 15.5 inches in depth, with a total of 11 rollers. Coming beneath will be a drip pan. The measurements for the drip pan will include 17.75 inches in length by 16.25 inches in depth. Drip pan can be removed and inserted back beneath the rollers. Coming to the front will be your power switch, along with the light indicators and operational gauges. Coming to the back will be the ETL certification and the 110/120 voltage plug. Or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product.